Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a watercolor art channel page with some watercolor illustration, and I'm using the Arteza 36 half pan watercolors. I picked one of the drawings in my sketchbook and redraw it onto a piece of watercolor paper. Of course, I'm using also the Arteza watercolor paper. I think it's not the best for watercoloring, but it's perfect for stamping because the back side of it is very smooth. Unfortunately, it's not good to see on camera because I don't draw the lines very dark. Now I'm going in with the watercolors and I just add a thin layer of color. After this layer, I will go in and redraw the lines and add a lot of more details with a darker pen, so it will be better to see. When I'm happy with my drawing, I go in with a black fine liner and redraw all the lines. I'm working with a waterproof fine liner because I want to go in with more color later. I'm erasing the pencil lines. Arteza was so kind to send me this set of watercolors to try them out, and I can only say that I'm really happy with the results. Of course, the paints are not the high quality you will get with artist grade paints. I can only compare them to the Jello Mission Gold ones, and I think these are not as transparent and pigmented as the Jello Mission Gold. But I also have the Gansai Tambi watercolors, and I think they are similar to them. I don't see any big difference. I think if you are new to watercolors and want to try them out, the Arteza ones are a great deal. And you also get this nice big metal palette where there is room for 12 more have pens, so if you want to upgrade your palette with other watercolors, you can do this. I will also color the background of the lion, although I will cut him out later, but at this stage I wasn't sure what to do with it. I picked a page in my envelope art journal. I will link you up to a video of the making of this journal. And I have also some gold texture paste on my page, but it's applied very smooth. It was some leftover from another project. I'm going in with the watercolors, and the gold paste acts like a resist against them. The little butterfly you see on the page is an imprint from one of my handcarved stamps. I'm creating some white space by adding white gesso. When the background is dry, I'm adding some scrap papers and old book pages. I use stamps from the Rubber Dance Textured Feathers and Textured Flowers stamp sets to create more interest on the background. If you know my videos, you know that I often go in with white paint to add splatters. This brightens up the page and adds more vibrancy. Now I'm adding my cutout little lion that I've drawn before, and I've also drawn a little bear. Unfortunately, I don't have this on camera, but I add both of them to the pages and also some sentiments that I've printed with my computer. Here is the finished page. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I hope we see us next time. Bye!